Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Danilyn Miranda Takatani, 35 years old from Mahayag Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines, high school graduate. I am married but we are separated. I have no kids. I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. This is the first time applying abroad, but here in the Philippines, I have 6 years experience being a housemaid but different employer. From March 15, 2019 to March 15, 2022, I serve one woman older. Her age is 70 years old. My other duty is to cooking, cleaning the house, washing her clothes, and ironing. And also, I have 3 years experience from February 25, 2023 to February 25, 2026, I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adult and 3 years old child. My other duty is to cooking, cleaning, washing their clothes, and ironing. And to my future employer, if you give me a chance to become your housemaid, I promise that I will do my best. I am hardworking, trustworthy, responsible, obedient, and I am willing to work with you with my whole contract or more. Thank you.